Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over the process of putting the window back in. We have gone ahead and fixed everything that we needed to with having the window removed, being the window regulator, door lock actuator, and handle and so forth if you've needed to replace that. So now I'm going to go over how you would put the window back in. Helps if you just pop this molding up a little bit to get better access. So you put the window in at an angle, bring it down, and then like this in the regular channel. And the reason we pop this molding is because the clips, these clamps here, they'll go through there better. So then we get it down here, line it up. The window has been pushed down. We've got a bolt here that we've started, and we're going to line this one up and start that one in to be tightened. So that's the window. It's been replaced. It's in the channel. So now that the window has been in place, these screws are tight. Everything else has been replaced. We're going to go ahead and put that plastic in cover on, and then that is your full replacement of everything inside the door here. We're going to run our wires through it. You do your best to realign everything. And so that's the window put back in, and your shell cover put back on. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.